Bet. Live. Alright, so, let me collect myself. Oh. Well, I might be needing to change my password. So, I just realized that I have access to the second charts on Tradeovate, and this is amazing. This is like crack cocaine. Like, this is watching the 1 minute chart on crack. This shit is crazy to me. It's probably gonna run these highs now. But this shit is crazy to me. This is like actually really cool. So I might start on my second, my seconds. Dude, what the look at this, bro. Look at this entry, 71. It's only 10 points, but like, if this is all you look for, let me put this over here. It looks like price is moving extremely fast, but it's only because it's a 5 seconds chart. No, shawty wanna fuck. All right. This would have been a nice buy, but that was a macro time, and there was news in the way. So, alright, so ES is back at the 50% of the range from this low to this high. So we could see a potential reversal here. I don't know what I'm looking at. So the thing here is we have SMT with NAS, ES, and there's a possibility we take out that high. But I didn't see a clean entry. And I didn't want to get it up here because it just didn't make sense. Yeah, there's so many equal highs right now. If I was looking for anything, I'd probably wait for a return to this order block or a soup of this low, but I'd want to see it carefully because all this low resistance liquidity. But as of right now, it looks like it's just blasting. All right. This is funny as hell. So I guess we'll be waiting for next macro in about 30-40 minutes. So in the meantime, there's not really I can wait for. But this is a nice discount to premium. Man, my freaking dog. One minute breaker is crazy. Alright, give me a second.
Now, sliding door.
Alright. So yeah, now it's just following some market structure. I really thought ES was gonna take these lows on the 15-minute. It might still do it. But the likelihood is not high because it's SMT between NAS and ES on these lows. So it's most likely not. But NAS, ES is lagging behind NAS, as you can see. Oh, what the fuck? Damn, YM is not cooperating at all. Isn't it crazy how, yeah, dude, isn't it crazy how Nas will literally be on some beautiful shit and then, bro, like, look at Nas, bro, and then YM will literally obliterate it. Like YM will be on some different shit. Um, Bro, I hate waiting for macro, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Most likely, if it keeps going higher, it's obviously gonna take these highs out. But I want to see how it reacts to. Yeah, so right now it's at a premium. I need it to take this low or something. Bro, am I live? I feel like it's so late to ask that question, but am I live? Yeah. Alright. But yeah, I'm just waiting. See what the second chart is saying. Engineering buy side. Dude, I'm gonna use this as a new confluence, honestly. See how the second chart is forming. But I mean, it's too much noise, bro. Like, real shit. It's too much noise. Like, I understand the 1 minute, but 5 seconds is just crazy. Yeah, 5 second chart is crazy. And that would be a nice buy right there. Or right there. Damn, that was instant stop loss. Damn. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know if I could trade the 5 second, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know about all that. Well, there's no SMT here. I mean, there's SMT here, 1015 and 1019. 1015, 1019 made a higher high on yes. Bro, this thing could rip down. For sure. But now this is low resistance liquidity and we have all this shit, so nah, I'm gonna just wait for like a soup of something. Like, or like a bounce back into his order block. Like right here. We also got a 15 inversion right here. And a gap. So that's a little BPR right there. This is a nice this was a nice retracement back into the inversion gap for real. But then again, it could have easily come back in here. And the thing about this is the stop loss would have been huge. Like, if I wanted a safe stop, it would have been 46 points. And even safer would be 64 points. So, yeah, I don't know about that. Just took these lows. Let's see what the 5-second chart's saying. Or the 15-second. Soup this low. Came back. Fair value gap. This is crazy. That would have been 92. That would have been a 4-point stop. It's 23 points in profit right now. This shit is crazy. Yeah, I couldn't do that, honestly. Hell no. Plus, like, what's the narrative there? You know? And I don't think I'd be anticipating any sells until we get up to 098. Or like at least 086. And I don't think I could be anticipating any buys either. You know what I mean? Yeah, I wouldn't want to buy this. This is too deep in a premium. Fuck you mean 920 macro? Didn't even come back into the order block. Just back into this little breaker. This 3-minute gap too. That is crazy. I'm not even gonna lie, I might sell this here. It just Makes sense. I don't know. I don't think these equal lows are safe here. And if not, like maybe a return back in here, but bruh. Yeah, I might go short here. If let's see, 18-point stop. It's not in premium yet. I mean OTE yet, but I don't know. But it's not macro. But it's 1020, so that I don't trust that run for real. I feel like it would come back to this low. Let me get out the 15-second, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna just tape read this because well, that's crazy. Yep. Alright, well, it's back inside that order block. But the thing is, right, we have all these fucking lows down here. It's most likely to go lower. But let's just see. Fuck. Let's just see what it might do here. That 1 hour candle is holy shit. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah. I'm gonna take this breaker if it comes back into it. Jeez, why are these colors so ugly? Yeah, this is kind of suspect. Damn, that's crazy. If I would have just entered on that close, that would have been 38 points already. Damn, 40 points. Boom. 40 points is crazy. Yeah, ES looks like it's finna come take all these damn lows. I mean, okay, let's just look at this range though. Let's look at this range. Where is OTE? Alright, if OTE don't hold here, it's gonna continue bearish. And you know what time that is? Yeah, unfortunately there hasn't been a clean entry on NAS yet. But you know, this I understand that this could have been a fake price run and now we're really gonna start going lower. But the thing is, like, this is a range in itself, right? And we have these equal highs up here, and as is there's SMT with ES, so this is exactly what I was looking for on the 1 minute. See a turtle soup, and let's just see if the turtle soup gets respected. I'm not willing to buy yet. Like, we still have 20 minutes till macro. And this is a big ass fair value gap if it inverts it. But this should act as a breaker if it's gonna go lower. I don't believe it will. I think it just wanted to soup some lows to continue higher. This might be the move here. God damn. I'm gonna set a buy limit right here. 70.50. This shit is crazy. Like, here's the thing now, like, I don't know if this is gonna get respected or this breaker is gonna get respected. Because I understand, like, okay, my narrative is bullish, right? Let's go to the second chart. Let's go to the 5-second chart. Let's see. I mean, it came back into the fair value gap. Yeah, I might have missed a trade here. Yeah, I missed the trade, bruh. Because there's no reason for it to keep going down. Go back up. Come back down. I wanted the inversion gap, but on MNQ, the inversion gap is way higher than the fair value gap. I'm gonna take that off for a second there. I'm gonna just see how price wants to react here. Yeah, it's pretty unfortunate. Damn, that's crazy. Because it really does look like it's going higher. Yeah. Yeah, see, I don't know about those rejections though. It's like this 2-minute gap can easily continue being respected. Because we have this is low resistance liquidity now. I'm gonna see how it reacts off of the fair value gap, because in all honesty, if it inverts this gap, I want to sell it down here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Damn, those rejections are crazy though. Alright, I might get into a buy here. Yeah, fuck, dude. Okay, yeah. YM is doing his own thing, bro. I swear. Damn, that's crazy. There's a little order block held. Never came back into the inversion gap. I might stab it short though. Honestly, I might. Because I do see this breaker holding. This breaker can most definitely hold here. The thing is though, like, what's the narrative? You know, this narrative, currently it's bullish obviously because it's super slow. Tapping into fair value gaps, you know. Okay, so it's respected the breaker to the T there. As you can see right there. So price has to make a decision right now. Is it gonna respect this inversion gap or what? I think it will, simply because it's souped this low. So we have something interesting here. Close above. Yeah, this is tough. But if I was in this trade, I don't know if I'd want to be in it. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at the second chart. Damn, I wanted to go short there. Dude, this fucking chart moves so goddamn fast. Yeah, I'm gonna stay my ass off the off the 5 second, bro. Might come back into here. So I want to see how it reacts to that. I think I'm gonna short inside this fair value gap here. Well, tap the inversion gap, but I don't really want to buy that. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is, if ES closes below this gap, I'm gonna sell NAS. Hasn't really closed below it. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, I don't know. Still closing inside it. We got 10 minutes till macro. But I'm gonna allow it. Bro, move, bro. Man, shut your bitch ass up. My dog prowling and shit. Yeah, dude, this 15-second chart is interesting. This order block should hold if ES wants to go higher. I really want ES to close below the gap so it gives me a reason to sell NAS. Got 30 seconds. Alright, when ES comes to the fair value gap, alright, NAS, let's see. The thing here is now
order filled, order filled.
alright, I'm taking the sell off of ES, this inversion gap. Huh. Yeah, I think my bias is wrong today. Alright, if it closes above that gap, I'm gonna get out.
Order filled, order filled, order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna get in 2 positions right there. And this is gonna be the last trade I take. With a stop loss below here. So initially my bias was bearish because ES took this low. ES closed below the gap and then started respecting it, so I got him short on NAS. And now it looks like NAS closed above this gap, so that's why I'm in that trade. If it comes back into here, I might add a position. I really like this now. If it closes above and gives a nice reaction, I'm gonna add on the order block. Yeah, my target right now is like up here. Yeah, I want to see this breaker completely traded through. I don't want to see this gap get respected. I might add a position here. Might add a position there. Alright, now I'd like this gap to stay open. Yeah, if I just took to my initial buy limit that I had right here, I would be so good right now. But I switched my bias to sells just because, like, um, ES had SMT with NAS closing below this gap, and I thought NAS was gonna run these lows, you know, which it makes sense. So we might have a bit of a pullback unless NAS wants to just keep running. Oh, there was a nice 2-minute inversion here. I missed that. That's okay. I think at this point I will be at break even. I don't want NAS to fill in this whole gap. I will allow it to come back into it, but if it takes me at break even, then I'm not playing with it. Cause yeah, this can definitely, yeah, it's OTE right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna let it get me at another loss here. Might aim for a 1 to 2.5 on this trade if it does end up working out, and potentially leave a runner. But let's see if it works out first. Then we can start seeing if it wants to run in our favor. The only reason I didn't add a position there is because it just tapped OTE and filled in the gap. So, you know, if it wanted to, it can definitely just dump here. I want to see it close above the 50% of this candle here. There you go. Alright. So my stop is now officially completely break even. I'm not letting this trade run against me. And technically, bro, I really should take a partial here, huh? Just took that high again. Is really struggling to reach that high. But it makes sense if it were to sell off, you know? Yeah. Well, there's no SMT, but let's see. ES hasn't reached OTE. I hate to say it, but Nas might actually come back into here. Okay, Nas. Let's see if it bounces here. Honestly, I don't really want to be in this trade anymore. I mean, it closed below the gap, so that's a bad sign.
Back.
If I see any signs of respecting the gap, I'm gonna close it. This inversion gap. But let's say it does close above this inversion gap. I'm gonna add a position there. I'm gonna, shit, it's too late. I wanted this, 96.
Order filled.
Right there. Well, it's bearish SMT now. The only reason I added a position is because it's macro. It's macro and it closed above here. So if Nas is bullish, it should take this high. Now ES is at OTE. Yeah, I don't really know yet. I might cut it honestly. But I can feel myself getting emotional because of the risk at hand. Because like I'm not used to this much risk. Like I usually only go in like 2 contracts maximum.
Order filled.
I got out the trade there. I don't like how the candles are printing. And ES is at OTE. What I might do here for real though is sell. I might sell Nas here, I think. Because ES is at OTE. If this closes below, I'm selling Nas. ES is at OTE. Everything is in a premium right now. Like it makes sense. We have equal lows on ES. Damn, bro. Well, at least I had the right conviction, I guess. But yeah, as of right now, P&L is negative $59.20. But yeah, if this looks really nice now. If ES returns to this inversion gap, I'm gonna sell Nas.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, this is the last trade. I really like this inversion gap and immediate rebalance. ES should come clean to these lows. And Nash should have no problem displacing through this. You have this volume imbalance on ES. Obviously, the only thing here now is we're in a discount. I'm not just gonna ignore that, you know. Yeah, I think I'll be aiming for this low. Set 2 buy limits there. I want this to close below the volume imbalance. There you go. Now I need this to run through this like butter. I need like heavy speed now. Come on, Naz, don't be shy. Don't be shy, Naz. I see it coming for these equal lows down here. I think at this point I am at break even. I don't really want to see a return to the inversion gap here. That is fucking ugly, bro. We have a 3-minute inversion. This most likely won't hold. Don't be shy, Naz. What's CS doing? Came back into this volume imbalance. If it closes above here, I'm gonna cut the trade. Joder, la hora que hizo.
¿Qué pasó? Está allá afuera porque estaba jugando y se metió allá. Abre, pues abre para yo pasar.
I want to see these lows get ran through on ES. There should be no more stalling. Like, this should just be a straight drop down here. Damn, I hate price action. This shit is terrible. Like, the low is right there. There you go. Push Nas. Push Nasd. What was my stop? Like 21 points. And I'm asking for 27 points. And I'm asking for 37 points. It's a gap right there. This should get ran through like butter, bruh. There you go. Really nice. Bro, this is so gay. There you go. Print. Print Nas.
Order filled.
And I'm out. Beautiful trading session, man. Even with the loss. Beautiful, beautiful trading session. This was nice. So, let me go over here.
No, bye. No. No.
Damn, bruh. Now this shit really dumping. this is. Oh my God, Milo. So yeah, this was the. Dude, I could have made so much more. Holy shit. I wish I wasn't such a pussy, bro. But I was just so locked in on. Damn, bro. This could have easily been a big ass day. Damn. This is crazy. But yeah, this is a P&L for today. 125 bucks total P&L. Lost $67. My losing trade, $200 profit. So yeah, dude, we're up. We're up this week for sure. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you watched any of the stream, here are my. Let me go back. So here are my trades from today. Hello. Does my account feel like connecting today or what? This for today, not for tomorrow. Bonjour. Okay, well I guess it's not fucking loading. I guess my shit doesn't want to load today. Oh, there you go. Alright, so boom. Here are the 3 trades that I took today. Or I think it was 4. So first I wanted to basically the same concept that just happened on ES. ES closed below this inversion gap. And it had already repriced a little bit into the breaker. NAS had already repriced into the breaker. So my thought process was, okay, if ES closes below this gap that appears on NAS as well, I'm gonna short, and I shorted right here, as you can see on this right here. I took a loss of like $60, and then I came in here, saw this inversion gap on NAS. Since I thought we were gonna keep running higher. We did, but we only got to the OTE. So boom, I got a break-even trade right there. And then I added a position right here, but I got a break-even trade right here. So overall, it was break-even. And then the last trade on NAS, I'm telling you, this has been the best entry methods that I've ever had. Shout out to Bees. He's the one that really opened my mind to this. I don't know if you're watching this, Bees, but if you are, what's up, my guy? But yeah, bro, close below. ES hit OTE. I knew from the start that this whole fucking run during 9:30, this was a fake ass run. This shit is not real. So my bias was short, but it came all the way down here, so I thought, okay, maybe it's gonna keep going higher because we have all this low resistance liquidity up here. But it just made sense that ES hit OTE, boom, to the tick, and then inverted this gap in a premium. So I got in at 11 a.m. Right here on this pullback on NAS, as ES touched in the fair value gap as well. So I got around 35 points on that trade. So overall, beautiful, beautiful trade, man. I mean, there's nothing much I can say about it. We got some profit, you know what I'm saying? End of the day in $125 in profit. So this week I'm up $250. So, yeah, man, let's just keep the ball rolling. Like I said, dude, I'm upping my risk this whole fucking time. I don't really care. Like, I have to up my risk, you know. Dude, I really want to buy this right here. I'm not even gonna lie. I just know it's gonna come to these highs now. I just have a really good feeling, bro. I have a feeling it's gonna run those highs, but that doesn't matter. I already got my win for the day, and yeah. So I covered the loss and I made profit, so that's good. That's always good. But yeah, I'll be streaming next week because this week, what's up, Mitchell? Mitchell, what's good, Mitchell? But yeah, next week I'll be streaming Monday and Tuesday. I think Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But yeah, that was the stream for today. Hope y'all fuck with it. I know I fuck with it, so it's, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, all right, peace. I won't be streaming tomorrow because I have work. I got work, so I won't be streaming tomorrow. But yeah, I like to stream. I'm currently on a win streak. Let's see. Currently on a win streak here. I took let's see, I won this. I think I lost this, won this, won this, won this, won this, won this, and won today. So I'm currently on like a 6 win streak right now. So that's pretty sick. I haven't lost in like a week. So that's pretty sick, right? But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the stream. Hope you like the stream, appreciate it, and like the stream, or else I'm gonna come over and fuck you.